Hey, I'm bringing you a tour of a luxury McDonough home. This one checks the box. Wow, you're going to be amazed by this home. This home is brought to you Lucretia Ramsey, a seasoned real estate over 3 decades serving Atlanta. I want you to know what's out there in the luxury market on new construction. Now, the difference on this is a private new construction home in an existing neighborhood. It sits back on the end of a Cul-de-Sac and it's all brick. You know, they don't make brick that many out. As you walk through this home, I want you to pay attention to the detail. Guess what? If you would like a tour of this home, hit me at my number, my contacts on the screen. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm Lucretia Ramsey, Realty Service, and let us bring you on the tour so you can get the feel of this home, and you might even imagine. And guess what? Where this home at? This is more in the Stockbridge area in Henry County, which is only approximately, I would say about 30 minutes, 35 minutes from downtown Atlanta. The expressways you would probably hit is 675, 75, and sometimes you could go to the back way and hit 285. So you're in a private, quiet subdivision that you kind of get away. You got the city feel, but you're away from the city, but you're in the suburbs. What's up in living like in Atlanta? Let's show you suburban living, and what do you get for $700,000? So let the tour begin as I walk you through this home. Now let's start with this tour. We start here. Okay, this is the bedroom on the main. And this home has all hardwood floors. What do you think about this black tile here? Isn't that nice? And the waterfall like shower head. This is really nice. I like this black door. It's sleek. The black door is very sleek and elegant. And what we have here is black quartz. Now, they say white is going out a little bit, so right now we have like a cream color. The ceilings are very high. They got high ceiling. I think these are 9 foot. Let's see what the closet look like. That's nice. Oh, you know what? I really like these detail. We call it an asymmetrical look. It gives the foyer some character. Ew, that is nice. And these wrought irons are very sleek. The sleek wrought iron. And how you like the lighter color wood, the wood. This does not have LVL. This has real wood. They say real wood is going out of style, but you know what? Real wood costs more. So this has real wood. So I'm standing in the foyer. Let's get a high view of the foyer. Ah, look at that. We have, oh, you know, the brass is coming back. Look at those brass lights. Isn't that with the like crystal like thing? It's really cute. This is an open foyer. Little archway over here. So that's a bedroom on the main. Now, let me show you something that's a little different that they have over here. I haven't seen this. Now, this room you can use for your study, for those of you who need an office at home, or you work at home, either one, but this is good. It's very private. It has some nice LED lights in the ceiling. Oh, this door is nice. It's a nice door. So let me turn on the light so you can really see. Look at that door. Isn't that nice? It kind of reminds you of a kind of oriental style and stuff. And coming off the garage, you have where you can put your coats. You can put your coat here. If you have some books or something else up here, you can kind of store it up here. And your shoes can go down here. You can put your shoes down here. Little archway going to the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen and see what's going on in the kitchen. Oh, look at that. Look at the ceiling. You gotta see the ceiling. This builder did a lot of detail. I want to show you the ceiling on that. That's a little different. They said black is coming in. So what he did was he mixed some black quartz. We call this a waterfall quartz. This is like a waterfall quartz. And okay, built in. That's built in. And you got some floating shelves next to it. You can put some other things over here. And your stove, you have a 5-burner stove. This has got to be a high-end. I was trying to see the brand. Oh, here's a pot holder. Pot holder, you can wash your pot. Yeah, these handles are really nice. They're a little different in it. Look at that, and guess what? They solid too, solid. So you have the quartz with a little gold trim around it. That's really nice. And the area for your refrigerator. Oh, this is neat. This could be like your wine rack. Yeah, you can put your wine in here. So this kitchen has a lot of detail. Here's your disc. All appliances, of course, are stainless steel. Now this one's a little different instead of doing that. And that's the family room over here. But look at the detail in the sign, like they used to have, these used to be logs before, but these are white. And this is a big family room. You can entertain in here. You got plenty space to entertain. He likes these little asymmetrical detail and an electrical fireplace. So you gotta have a little style to it, little conversational piece. So now, I guess this would, if you have to have a formal, even though I guess you would use this area as your formal or your gathering room, and the light fixtures are very sleek. There's some more that brass and black. That brass and black is real popping right now in the white paint. He does a lot of details on the wall. See all that wall with all that details? All the ceilings are very high ceiling. Light oak. I don't know, there's oak, but it's like a light color wood floor. Oh, you do have a half bath on this side too, so you don't have to go in no room. So, oh, I like this. Oh, this is really pretty. Look at this. This is so neat. It's got the brass and the black, and it matches the quartz. That's real nice. I like that, the brass. And here we got this mirror looks like a map. I call it like a map mirror. Kind of remind you of a map. So now let's go upstairs and see what's going on upstairs. You know what I like when they have, if you go upstairs and you have a space you can stop and rest a moment with a landing. It kind of breaks up the stairway from going straight on up. So you got to break in the stair. Now this stairway style reminds you of more of like a Craftsman style. And that's a view of the foyer from now. Sleek and clean. So let's take a tour of some of the bedrooms. The master suite. Now this one, instead of going, this is totally brass. A brass fan, and here's that design on that wall again. It covers the whole wall. Bedroom, this master is really, it's a nice size master. It's big. I don't know if y'all can feel the grand size of this master when I stand on this wall here to see how large it is. It's a really big master. You're gonna have your sitting room, your God, you got plenty thing. And I like the light. You get a lot of natural light in this room, plus he has a lot of light in the ceiling. Lots of, the windows make it nice and open. Let's check out, oh, look at that light. I love these lights. These lights are really nice. Oh, check that one out. This Quartz have a gray and gold trim in it. So he did this one with a cream color. I guess we would call this more like a Roman style. It almost reminds you, look at the window. Isn't that different? That is trim with a little bit of gold in it. It has a little gold trim in it. Now, you know what this bathroom have, y'all? This has a lot of mirrors. Women, I know you need mirrors. Okay, if you need to sit down there, you can sit down there. And this is a big, you can exercise in this bathroom, it's so big. It's a really huge master bathroom. Oh, let's take an interior look. Oh, I love this. Look at the trim. It's nice and all this trim. Okay, check the waterfall and the handheld. We have a handheld shower here. And this, I like the way, this is a really nice tile. Here's a bench if you just want to sit back and relax, but this is an oversized shower. Definitely a large shower. Shower, big shower. Check this out. And that's a neat tall waterfall like that. Oh, I tell you, this bathroom is really pretty. Then you could, oh, forgotten. Sometimes they forget to give you linen closet. They give you a nice big linen closet in here. Okay, oh, women, we're gonna show you your side first. Oh, this is a nice custom closet. I mean, look at it. Oh, for you shoe lovers, you're gonna like this. Look at all this space you got for your shoes and your drawers. You got good drawer space here to put your stuff in. I like this closet. This is a nice custom closet. Can you imagine yourself in this? Hey, ladies, you think you can imagine yourself in this closet? You can relax and even get away in this closet if you need to, because it's so big. It's a big closet. Hey, gent, this your side. We gonna leave you out too. You got your side too. I don't know, ladies might take some of your space, unless you're a gentleman that likes a lot of clothes. We have a lot of closet space. They didn't spare with this closet space. Here's that black and bronze fan again. Here we go again. Here it go right again. These bedrooms are really nice size. You should put in a 700. And hey, the waterfall. This one is in the gray. Nice sleek white, and this is a cream. He did a cream in here. Nice shower. Tile goes all the way up to the ceiling. And now when you're in this price, when you get custom closet, see they built in as more custom like. So we go to this bedroom. Here's that fan again. I like that fan. It's nice, it's very contemporary. Custom closet. Oh, look at this tile. Isn't this nice, y'all? Look at the style. Isn't it pretty? It's a pretty pattern, and it got like a little gold and bronze in it. Then he has it in the black. The waterfall shower again. And then he decided to do this one here. This one is in a different type of black trim, little sleek black trim. And the floor matches the tile. This tour is brought to you by Lucretia Ramsey. As I leave, if I can provide you a showing of this home in McDonough, please feel reach out to me, 404-981-7560.